What did they worry you?
Listen! Now why you go bring that this double like they mad?
You never dey see any double. If you don't go bring that here girl, come, we gonna make all this noise.
You see what you cause? Now you cause all this thing, no? First, you carry girl, call they call Akashawa body, can't give us. You carry friend will be on Milako join us.
I can't down, Joe. I can't. I'm talking about the talk, go into anything. What did they stop now?
Don't tell us to calm down. Since you know the way forward, what's the way forward?
See this guy. This guy don't even get anything, so go calm down, you don't get any way forward. This guy, now yeah, guy.
You see yourself? You don't even know the way forward. You say calm down.
What you hear talk? You and the talk, don't mean you follow guys stairs. You know they see talk? He say no, I can't have body from anywhere. What you call the yarn again now?
So now they call this Akanchawa body. This Akanchawa body, they call it, they vex me. What job Akanchawa body? This girl na only body. Now criminal body that this girl be.
See, for God who made me, you see, when the girl come, she dey form like fool. I don't know what she dey do. No, I say this girl a professional for the game.
You know what you talk about Benin girls. Now that be queen of sense. Now today you know that one.
Okay, guys, see. What's the way forward right now? Now what's be the way forward? Esther just said she doesn't know this girl. Obviously. Now girl with this girl does help. She was stranded. If not be this pop, we go bring bad market enter here.
Now you and your family
bring bad market.
You be bastard.
But now wait,
Hey,
go tell you get away because someday jealous, but no lose focus. It's all time no grief for anybody.